Have you ever argued with your brother or sister over something silly? I bet we all have. But sometimes, those little fights can teach us a big lesson. Let me tell you the story of Jack and Lily. Once upon a time, in a cozy little house filled with laughter and sunshine, lived two siblings, Jack and Lily. They usually got along great, building forts out of pillows and chasing each other in the garden. But one afternoon, everything changed. Their mother brought home a brand new toy, a beautiful, shiny red race car. It was the coolest toy they had ever seen. Jack saw it first. "Wow! That's my car!" he shouted, grabbing it from the box. Lily, who had been dreaming of a car just like it, rushed over. "No, it's mine. Mom got it for me." They both held onto the car, their happy faces now twisted into angry scowls. "I saw it first," Jack yelled, pulling it towards him. "But I wanted it more," Lily cried, yanking it back. The little red car was caught in the middle of their tug-of-war. They pulled and they tugged, each one determined not to let go. Their mother heard the commotion from the kitchen. "Jack, Lily, what's going on in there?" But they were so focused on winning that they didn't even hear her. "It's mine." "No, it's mine." And then, snap! A terrible sound echoed through the room. The beautiful red car broke right in half. One wheel spun off and rolled under the sofa. The shiny red paint was cracked. It was completely ruined. Jack and Lily froze. They stared at the two broken pieces in their hands. The argument was over, but what had they won? Nothing. The toy they both wanted so desperately was gone forever. Their mother walked in and saw the scene. She looked at their tear-streaked faces and the broken toy on the floor. She sighed softly and said, "Now, neither of you has it. If you had just agreed to share, you could both be playing with it right now." Lily started to cry, big, sad tears rolling down her cheeks. "If we had shared," she whispered, looking at the useless piece of plastic in her hand. Jack looked at his piece, his anger replaced by a deep regret. "We would still have our car," he finished, his voice trembling. They learned a very important lesson that day. Fighting over something only destroys it, but when we choose to share and work together, we can protect the good things we have. Unity keeps our blessings safe, so next time you feel an argument brewing, remember Jack and Lily, sharing isn't about giving something up. It's about making sure everyone gets to enjoy it. Thanks for watching. If you like this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. See you next time.